Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. And we're going to talk about the 12th law, which is the base switch law, okay? This is a very important law because we're going to use it when solving some questions. But before I continue, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to send me an email and I'll get back to you. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. All right, so basically what this base switch law is talking about is that if you have, maybe I have log B to base A, and I want to convert this to having log A to base B. So that means I want the argument or the quantity to become the base and the base to become the quantity. Is that making sense? So basically, the law states that you can do this if you can switch this if you're going to rewrite this in a reciprocal form. All right. So, but I'm going to explain this to you quickly. There are 3 steps. Okay, 3 steps or 3 rules for this for you to solve this. Number 1, you have to swap the base and the number. You have to swap the base and the number. Number 2, after swapping it, you have to divide. So basically the reciprocal. You have to divide 1 by the result from step 1. And number 3, you then what? You can then simplify. So what we are saying is that if you have log B to base A, what you have to do is going to become 1 divided by log A to base B. Are you seeing it? So the same thing when we have log E to base B, which is the same thing as saying ln of B. Remember I told you log to base E, same thing as ln. It's the same thing as saying 1 all over log B, log exponent to base B, and that is that. So you can also state the law, okay? Because of this now you understand how to do it. Now the law is going to make sense. So the law states that the number, okay? So some textbook, the number here, some people call it quantity, okay? You can check some textbook, it will say quantity. Some can call it argument, all right? So that means I'm referring to the B here. Is that okay? And base in the logarithm form or in logarithm term can be switched by changing the base in reciprocal form. Okay? So that means if you want to convert this, what you then do is that you will now have 1 divided by log of A to base B. So that's what we're trying to talk about here. So you have to swap it first, then you now find the reciprocal of it. All right, let's pick an example, okay? Let's pick an example. So we have, let's say we have log of 5 to base 3. I want to convert, want to find the reciprocal, make it to be base 5 of 3, and that will be equal to 1 divided by log of 5, log of 3 to base 5. Another one again, we have ln 4. Now ln 4 is the same thing as saying log of 4 to base E, and then you can now say to be 1 of log of 4 base log of E to base 4. Number 3, we have log of 7 to base 2, and I want to convert this. It's going to be 1 over log of 2 to base what? 7. And that is the answer for that. All right. So that is that. It's very important you have that in mind. The next one, the next law we'll be going to now will be law 13, and that will be the index to logarithm law. All right, the index to logarithm law. It's very important that you subscribe and you click the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. So when I post the video on the index to logarithm, you'll be the first person to know. So the take-home message here, when you are trying to switch the logarithm base and the quotient or the argument here, okay? So what you have to do, you just have to find the inverse of it, okay? So I'm going to see you in the next video where we're going to talk about the index to logarithm. And if you have any question, please let me know. You can send me an email and I'll get back to you. See you soon.